Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Delta app an error has occurred. So first of all, you need to enable airplane mode on your mobile device. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open up the control center. Over here, in the top left, you'll see an icon of a plane. Tap on this plane icon to enable airplane mode. You'll immediately see your internet connection and phone signal disappear. Wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it back off. This should fix the Delta app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Delta Airlines app. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix the Delta app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to clear app cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Delta Airlines app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix the Delta app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate all the way to the app page. Once you're on this screen, tap on Delete app to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, you need to open up App Store and then search for the Delta Airlines app right over here in the search bar, and then click on this Get button to install it back on your device. Well, that's how you fix Delta app an error has occurred. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.